Welcome to your Model 3. This video will cover how to access your Tesla, including how to use your keys and get inside. Your phone is the primary key to your Model 3. Phone Key allows you to use your phone's Bluetooth connectivity to automatically unlock your Model 3 when you pull the handle, power on when you're ready to drive, and lock as you walk away. To set up Phone Key, enable Bluetooth on your phone, open the Tesla app, and follow the prompts. Since Phone Key wirelessly communicates with your Model 3 using Bluetooth and ultra-wideband, your phone will be able to function as a key even without a cellular connection. Your Tesla also comes with 2 key cards that can be used to unlock and lock Model 3. We recommend always keeping a key card with you in case your phone dies or you need to give someone else access to your Model 3. To unlock using your key card, place it against the driver's side door pillar under the camera. The exterior lights will flash and the side mirrors will unfold. Open the door by pressing your thumb into the widest part of the door handle. The handle will pivot to an open position, allowing you to grasp the handle and pull to open. Once inside, with Phone Key enabled, your Model 3 will wake up just by pressing the brake pedal. If you're not using Phone Key, power on Model 3 by placing the key card on the wireless phone charger and pressing the brake. If you wait more than 2 minutes to power on, remove and replace the key card on the wireless phone charger to re-authenticate. To exit, press this button at the top of the door handle and push the door open. In the unlikely situation Model 3 has no power, pull the manual door release located in front of the window switches. This release should only be used during an emergency. With Phone Key and walk-away door lock enabled, Model 3 will automatically lock when you walk away. If you're not using Phone Key, once you've exited, place the key card against the driver's side door pillar to lock. The exterior lights will flash, and the side mirrors will fold, confirming that your Model 3 is locked.